Go, Elizabeth, just bring them up. We'll show them, of course. She's done. There we go, the blue 3 grade 5s. And Elizabeth. So.
All good?
Yep.
I'll just put down the hot one. Okay. Cool.
Just set them up. So you go back a bit further. Just bring your put them in the picture just back a bit further. That's perfect.
Good.
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Skin's all good. She's been training on harder stuff, so this is her first attempt at Steel Shredder 5. One minute. Sam. That's big movements. Got the 3 wrapped, but you're thinking 2 maybe, aren't you?
That'd be nice.
It's 2 minutes. Let's double push down. Three minutes. I'm thinking this one's a 6 minute. 5 minutes, 6 minute? We'll see.
8.5 is my best, I think.
Yeah, I know, but you've been working on all the heavy stuff. Reds, 224s, 8mm, grade 8s. Speed. That's good, that's better. 4 minutes 4. Use leverage. Brilliant. Five minutes. Close?
I don't know. I don't want to waste the time stopping to look at it.
No, keep moving fast. You'll feel it. You know, those couple before, it's easy. So?
Nothing. Just moving the wraps out there.
Yeah. He's just on the one move now. Must be close. Come on. Few away. Good. Well, that's just 6 minutes 10. Done. 6:36.
That hurt.
Just put it beside the other one.
I'm not wasting time on it.
Okay. It's in the picture. I'll just move it for you.
What was that, just out of interest?
I think it was 6:36. Very good time. You would have to do 6:36s
I know.
for all three of them now.
That's why I wasn't wasting time.
Yeah, that was Rocky in about 1950 or something. Very well. Come here, Sam, out the way. Well, that's 3 minutes on this one. Well, from the last time you snapped the last one. So obviously you picked it up and...
Ow.
What's that?
Nothing, it just pinged.
Four, just over 4 on this one. Doing great. Five minutes on this one. Is it close?
It's got cracks.
Good. Then big push, big pumps. The 2 quick ones, 1 big one. And to lean to the side on the pull. Six minutes since.
Come on. God. It's gonna go. It's gone.
13:06. So you've got just under 7 seconds to go.
7 seconds?
7 minutes.
Oh fuck, that's miles off. Little chalk. I don't think my odds are good.
No.
Hiya.
You got a chance. You got 6:54 from the last thing. You took up a couple of seconds. Yeah, Mummy's having, they're doing the 3rd bolt now, isn't she?
Yeah. Mummy.
Yes?
I go outside, please.
You can go outside, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, skin.
14:40. 5 minutes 20 seconds.
Move faster or bigger pulls?
Mixture. I'd go faster right now. 2 pushes only. I think that third one right now for you, you haven't got enough power to really damage it. But even when I go for a really hard one, I wouldn't put a third one in at the beginning. Sometimes too much effort for not a lot. Doing well. You've got 4.5 minutes to go to do this. Speed. Fitness now, you've got to pump these. You've got to hit the same pace as what you've been doing. You'll feel it. Less rest, more pace.
Got no skin.
Chalk it up if you've got
I haven't
time.
got time.
No time. I ain't got time to bleed. Jesse Ventura. You got to make this count, man. You got to get it in on the time. 3 minutes 30 to go.
Fuck. It's not moving enough.
It's never over till it's over. Come on, keep move. Keep going.
Oh, it hurts. Come on.
2.5 minutes to go. So I'll be done in 2.5 minutes anyway.
Oh, good. Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
So got a crack?
Massive.
Come on now.
How long?
2 minutes.
Come on. I'm going to cry if I don't do this.
Yes. Put them all online, please.
What was it?
18:12. I'll double check on the video time. Just put the 2 things over there
Good girl.
and I'll bring the video.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Now that was the timer. I pressed it to 18:12. And there's Alice. And here's. Do them one at a time, put them down, Elizabeth.
My hands aren't
Keep
working
them in the
terribly
pictures.
well. Oh, it fell out. Oh, it's over there. There you go. Is that one okay?
Put them beside. They are not in the film. That's it.
Okay. Alice, they might be hot. Be careful.
Alice, put them back down.
Put it back down, darling. Sorry, I'm a bit slow. My hands will stop working.
Very well.
That one.
Was that my fastest one? The last one? Thank you.
I'll work them all out.
That's orange.
I presume so, because you're going to get closer to 20.
Mommy, that orange.
It's sort of orange. It's a purpley colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll open it, don't worry. Can you give it to Mummy, please? Here you go. You unwrap that one for me. Unwind it. Just do it down here so Daddy can see you. Good girl. How many did Mummy snap? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I need to put it down here, sweetie, so Daddy can see it.
There we are. Number 1. Very, very impressive. Number 2. And number 3. Put the wraps there in, please. Just normal, same old Royal Grip wraps.
Oh, thank you,
done.
Alice. Thank you.
Alice, Elizabeth. How's your hands? Yeah, a little bit of blood.
That one's, yeah. Bit stingy, but you know.
There we go. Well done.
Thank you.